Alright guys, it's Josh Ortegan with Phenom Brand Fitness and Nutrition. So what I am doing is I'm pulling up this first 12-week program. Okay, this is the 12-week full body hypertrophy or the full body get big program. Alright, so when you get this, it's a spreadsheet. You're going to see the first 6 weeks right here, then the second 6 weeks right here. Okay, mesocycle 1, mesocycle 2. You'll see the day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. And each one of these exercises in here, if you click on them, they'll hyperlink to a YouTube video. Pretty simple, okay? We have our total number of sets, total number of reps for each of the 6 weeks. It progressively gets harder and harder each week. So we'll start with a low number of sets and work our way up to a lot of sets and a lot of reps in week 5. Then we'll drop down to less sets and reps in week 6. Kind of like a little, like a deload week, so to say, but we're still getting some work in. Then mesocycle 2, so you see day 1, day 3, and day 4. And again, week 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is another down cycle, but we get progressively harder as we work through those weeks as well. Right here, you can fill in your weight, all right? So we can fill in our weight here, the weight we use, so we can track. Kind of add in your final weight. Okay, I know there's not 3 places for 3 sets of 15, but use your final weight. Now, really important, none of these include warm-up sets. So you're going to want to go ahead and have warm-up sets first, and these are your total number of work sets. So I hope that makes sense. Print this out, take it with you to the gym. Make sure you go through the videos so you'll see them done right, and that's the 12-week program.